What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video. This morning you joined me on a freezing morning. We picked up a Polo GTI. Flippin' awesome car. It is gonna be a blast. We're gonna do a bunch of videos for the channel. So first things first, bought the car with one or two things. It needs new tires and the battery is completely dead. So we're gonna have to jump start the car. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get this thing started. This is the man to go to, ladies and gentlemen. I'll leave the contact details down in the description. If you need anything, let them know. We just finished up at the battery shop. There we go. There's going to be the details. If you need anything, contact them. They are going to help you and give you the best price. Tell them Cameron sent you. We are now on the way home. We need to get some tires done a bit later on. We need to sort all 4 tires out. I had to pump them before I left now. Back left is a bit flat since last night, so yeah, otherwise the rest seem to be all right. They only lost about 0.2 of a bar each, but they all definitely need to be replaced, so that's what we have to do this afternoon. We're going to meet up with Carl at some point, probably tomorrow, which is Saturday, and we're going to do a couple of videos, maybe a review video. We're going to talk about the car, talk about what's happening on the channel. We're going to get a few different things going on. We have some big plans for the channel, ladies and gentlemen. If you haven't gathered that already, this is the start of those plans, so hopefully things keep going forwards from this point onwards and there's no more issues that we have to deal with. Wow, I have my girlfriend here and we're in the GTI. We are picking up some McFlurries, so we're gonna go Verpa and chow some. None of that. We need new bloody tires. Yeah, we still need new tires, ladies and gentlemen. Tomorrow I am going to go fetch the new tires, chuck them on. A McFlurry is almost 40 bucks now. It used to be like 27 rand. That is ridiculous. Absolute ridiculousness, man. Don't you agree? What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, nothing special.
Oh, you'll plant it tomorrow, then you'll see. So smooth, you can't even tell when it changes gears.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
It is nice, eh? Yeah. Okay, morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here with my wife once again. And we have just bought Kauai drinks. Obviously, we went to the gym first, as you would know. We're in the GTI, and we're about to have a taste test. What is this one, babe?
Peanut butter bomb.
Yeah, it's proper. What's yours?
Salted caramel. It's nice, it doesn't taste like salted caramel though.
What does it taste like?
Banana.
We're on the way to get my new tires. Hell yes, excited?
Yeah.
Great. So we're gonna go slap on them new tires and then we is good, ladies and gentlemen. So let's go and get some new shoes. We is good. We is good. Right, we have new tires, ladies and gentlemen. Wheel alignment is done. We are now driving straight forward, so that is good. We now have full use of the power, so that is always good. We are now driving home. It's lunchtime.
How does it feel? Yeah.
It feels very good. Very, very good. It's time for Laura to drive the car.
Maybe up here.
Okay. Send it, go. Flat.
So am I turning up here?
Yeah. Oh,
I didn't hear that.
You didn't?
No.
No.